Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am bringing to you my summer tour for 2020 Coastal Meets Glam. Now when I started filming this, I realized I did not decorate my entry table or this entry console for the coastal theme. So I'm gonna let you decorate with me this space, and then we will move forward after that. This is how it looked before. It was pretty, but I wanted to bring some coastal items in to decorate this space. And this was my decor for the spring for 2020 on this table. Now excuse the lighting because it was a gloomy day. It's been raining on and off here in Florida. So right now I'm sharing with you these candle holders that I picked up a year or so ago. I think I purchased them from Burlington. I love that palm motif on them. And these are some battery operated candles, flameless, that look so real. And then I had to bring my gator in from Z Gallery. He is so cute. Like this, not in real life, like this, home decor. And he's actually a bookend. I bought this because my second son graduated from the University of Florida. So I like gators, guys. So I'm adding these books that I picked up from Hobby Lobby in the pink and white to go with this gator. And right here I have a mirrored coaster from Dollar Tree. I like to place this at the corner here because my youngest son, he loves to run, and when he does that, he takes a bottle of water and places it right there. So I have that there so he will not mess or leave a water imprint on this console table. You know, I had to zhuzh up these candles by adding some Totally Dazzled bling and ribbon with my hot glue gun. And here is the look on this entry table, cabinet, console. Keeping it simple with just a few pieces, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I will let you enjoy this space for a bit, and then we will move on to the next area. Now I'm going to share with you my Mother's Day gift. I wanted a piano for my grandson, and he loves it, guys. He sits here every day and just plays on it. And I am praying to God that he will be able to play this someday. So this will actually be his. But he loves music, and I'm speaking it over him that he will be a piano player and any other instrument that he picks up. But this is sitting in the corner of my living room. Now moving next to it, I have my fireplace that I had in my family room. This metal artwork above, it was gold. I spray painted it silver, and I love it silver because I'm a silver girl. I love silver decor. And I have these lanterns that I have for a couple of years now, that I picked up from Walmart. And they do have these in gold as well, but I wanted them in silver. And I just placed little candle holders inside with votives and starfish that I picked up from Bell's Outlet, or now Home Centric. Just keeping it simple with the pink and silver. And each lantern is the same. And I'm so glad that I moved this fireplace in this space. I am loving it in my living room. And as you may notice, I painted the stones gray. They were different types of tan, and I'm loving that. This fireplace, by the way, came from Big Lots, okay? And then sitting at the hearth of this fireplace, I have to bring him in every summer. And that is my other Franklin the turtle. My hubby had to have this turtle from Kirkland's. And guys, they still have this turtle. My grandson, he's afraid of him though. Now moving below, I purchased another coffee table, guys. This coffee table was also gold. And if you've been following me on Instagram, I posted some pics from Ross. This table came from Ross. And again, I spray painted it silver, and I love it silver versus the gold. Just remember, when you buy home decor, you don't have to keep it in its original state. You can make it work for you. I love it that it has a mirrored top. Guys, I placed these beautiful flowers that I used in my I Love My Girlfriend's virtual party. I think they are so pretty. And this turtle, this is my turtle that I had to have. And I have my Lazy Susan blinged out tray, and this candle holder from Bath and Body Works, and some marbled coasters. Not too much on this coffee table. I love these vases that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, trimmed in the silver. I had to have them when I saw them. Just beautiful. And here's the view from my sofa. I love to sit here and watch my son and my grandson play the piano, listening to music. Just a calming living room space. And you know I love pillows. I kept it the same way that I had it in my spring tour. This is actually, I said a sofa, but this is actually a love seat. But I have my pillows there. These pillow covers I ordered from Amazon. And I do have an Amazon store in case you are interested. These pillows are blue and white, and the pink ones are furry and soft. And I also have this C table here. This is on Amazon, as well as IKEA has this table. But I found it thrifting for just $2.50. I love C tables because the way they tuck into the sofa, don't take up too much space like an end table. I don't have end tables in my living room or my family room. And next to this love seat, I have these storage ottomans that I also picked up from Ross. They did not come with the bling on the top. I added that. But they store candles and little treats for now my grandson and my nephews. And guys, here's my dining room table. I didn't change it from my Mother's Day tablescape. It pretty much stayed the same. I love the pink and blue and the silver tones mixed together. And of course, I love my ginger jars. You can do so many things with ginger jars. And this place setting, of course, is featuring another love of mine, Totally Dazzled Bling. I love Totally Dazzled, and I will use it on any and everything that I can. So if you're interested in Totally Dazzled, I'll have that link in my description box down below. I'm really thinking about changing this dining room set. I'm either going to change it or I'm going to get rid of it altogether. I haven't made up my mind yet. So stay tuned for that. And standing from the dining room is, you can see my staircase. I'm still working on this wall here. Not finding the things that I want in the stores because the stores are just starting to stock back up. But when I find those pieces, we will decorate this space. And I might find some pieces and use what I have because there's nothing wrong with the things that I have. And of course, you see my Totally Dazzled Bling there that I had to add on these candles. Those candle holders I've had for many, many years, and there's something I will not get rid of. All these pieces I won't get rid of. They will remain in my collection forever. Those mirror boxes I found thrifting and added Totally Dazzled Bling to them as well. And this wingback chair I had in my office, but I turned my office back into a bedroom. I added the bling to that chair as well. But this is just a look at the staircase. I will be showing soon what my hubby did on the wall of the staircase. But I'm loving this area here, this living room, dining room. And I forgot to show my bar cart done in the coastal theme as well. So I'll give you a quick glance of it as well. Done in the clear crystal and corals coastal theme with a little touch of bling. This bar cart also came gold from Amazon. And I kept looking at it, and I said, okay, let me grab my spray paint, and I'm spraying it silver, and I love it. But I love everything that I have on this bar cart. But guys, that is the end of this summer tour, Coastal Meets Glam. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day. And be safe. I'll talk to you real soon.